This cow is very hardworking. She works all day and cultivates bananas and waters them. Gradually, the banana tree grows big. But one day, a bear comes into the field and starts plucking and destroying the bananas. Then the cow comes and starts fighting with the bear. But because the bear is strong, he picks her down. And the cow calls the police station. The police comes. The cow tells the police everything. The police believe the cow and handcuff the bear and take him to jail. You haven't given a single like for this cow yet.